Clay's Automotive Service Center is your trusted destination for reliable and high-quality car repair services to drivers in Folsom, Pennsylvania and the surrounding communities. Our skilled car repair mechanic specializes in diagnosing and repairing all makes and models, offering services such as engine diagnostics, brake repair, transmission services, suspension work, and more. Feel free to contact us today with any questions about our car repair. Are you looking for a car repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Clay's Automotive Service Center. How do I know if my car needs repairs? Common signs that your car may need repairs include unusual noises, reduced performance, dashboard warning lights, fluid leaks, or changes in handling and braking. If you notice anything unusual, it's best to bring your vehicle in for a professional inspection. Do you use genuine parts for repairs? We use high-quality parts that meet or exceed manufacturer standards to ensure the durability and reliability of your repairs. What is your service area for the Folsom, Pennsylvania service office? Our car repair serves the following: Alden, Folsom, Holmes, Springfield, Sharon Hill, Darby, Folcroft, Swarthmore, Ridley Park, Rutledge, Clifton Heights, East Lansdowne, Prospect Park, Ridley Park, Glenolden, Lansdowne, Media, Aston, Chester, Delaware County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Folsom, Pennsylvania car repair shop located? We are located at 1000 McDade Boulevard, Folsom, Pennsylvania 19033. Our phone number is 610-534-7044. Visit our website, www.claysauto.com.